Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Yellow color. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. So kids, now time to learn some numbers. Let's start. One, O, N, E, 1. Two, TWO, 2. TWO, 2. TWO, 2. 3, THREE, 3. 4, FOUR, 4. 5, FIVE, 5. So kids, what we learned today? A for apple. A for avocado. B for banana. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for candy. D for donut. D for dog. E for egg. E for eggplant. 1. Number 1. ONE, 1. 2. Number 2. TWO, 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. So kids, we learn A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.